This is the Whirlwind movie scope. It's for the Whirlwind vacuum cleaner. They gave these away back in the time when these vacuum cleaners were made and sold. And this is a real unique advertising one because it shows both how you would do it the old-fashioned way and how you could do it with the vacuum cleaner. So you go, here's the first way. It starts out, a tearful tale, a women's saga. I'm sorry about the here. A tearful tale, a woman's saga. Beating a carpet, the old-fashioned way. I'll run through that again. She's beating a carpet the old-fashioned way. And the other side, if you turn it over from the Whirlwind side, and if you flip it the other way, this shows the new way to do it with a vacuum cleaner. A cheerful tale. There it shows a lady vacuuming back and forth. You run that again. These are a real novelty item. Not a lot of them made. They're really neat, fun to play with. They're printed on sturdy paper. Thank you.